Hi guys, it's Tanaya. Today I'm going to sing my very first song. I think I'm going to sing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it will take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter what you need's on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds cry, eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, 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 I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy won't even look me in the eye. Oh, if those shoes, I've been doing the same thing, saying there's my little girl walking with that troublesome guy. They're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, little darling, watch me change their minds. Yeah, for you I'll try. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. That'll make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds cry, eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, Ooh, don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. That'll make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds cry, eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, yeah. Guys, yeah, that was it. Anyways, if you liked it, comment, rate, subscribe. If you didn't, tell me why, and I'll try to make it better, you know. I'm just trying to be a better singer and trying to see what people think. A lot of people say I'm a really good singer, and some say I need work, and some say I'm really bad. But, you know, let the haters hate. Bye.